Aztec priests melted entire fortunes in dark rituals designed to control power, fear, and wealth. Today, AI melts time itself into automated cash flow. Gold was never just money to the Aztecs. It represented influence, control, power over entire civilizations. Massive fortunes disappeared into ceremonial fires while empires watched in fear. Today, millions of creators sacrifice something even more valuable than gold: time. Hours editing, hours scripting, hours building businesses manually. But AI changes the game completely. Modern digital empires are built using automation, attention, and AI-generated content. Affiliate systems now run 24 hours a day using viral videos, automated funnels, and AI marketing tools. AI can now generate scripts, thumbnails, voiceovers, videos, emails, and marketing systems in minutes. One creator can operate like an entire company. This is the new digital leverage. With the right system, a faceless creator can build a scalable online business without showing their face. One viral video, one automated funnel, one digital system running every single day. The Aztecs used rituals to control wealth and influence. Today, AI gives ordinary people the power to build modern digital empires online. Build your audience, build your systems, build your empire. Subscribe now for more cinematic AI money strategies.